Also, there was awaiting another surprise for me till the last detail the intention is getting manifested.
Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a Mind Body Spirit video.
Hello everybody, my name is Suyash. You're watching Mind Body Spirit. Today's Law of Attraction success story is super inspiring. It's one of those success stories, sometimes someone can have an intention which intimidates them, and they wonder, hey, am I asking for too much? A lot of times people ask me this question, so is my intention too big? Am I asking for just too much, which is impossible even for the universe to fulfill? So this is that kind of an intention, almost impossible intention, which got manifested with such accuracy, 100% exact manifestation. So I'm really excited to share this success story with you. Give this video a like and let's get started with the success story. So today's success story has been sent to me by Priyanka. Priyanka has sent it by email and I have named the success story on behalf of Priyanka. I achieved my dream. Hello Suyash, this is Priyanka from Odisha. Thank you for strengthening our belief in the law of attraction. It is only your videos due to which I am able to apply the law of attraction. Your videos are so simple and amazing as they directly communicate with hearts. Thank you so much, Priyanka. And then she continues, so coming to my success story. My intention was to get admission in a top MBA college where students can opt for international internship, and this institute needs to be closer to my home and fees must be negligible. So 4 things that she really wanted in the intention. Number 1, a top MBA college. Number 2, students should have the option to opt for international internship closer to her house, and also fees should be negligible. So 4 things that she wanted. But the problem in getting the admission was the entrance test, which was very hard to tackle as I had very less time to prepare. If somehow I would crack the entrance exam, the fees they were asking was more than my parents' entire life savings. Alright. It was January 2021. While surfing the internet, suddenly an advertisement of a university popped up which had all the qualities I desired in my dream college. I was amazed to see that it was providing 100% scholarship on qualifying the management entrance exam with 90 percentile score. It was the first indication from the universe that I am proceeding towards my dreams. But the real obstacle was yet to come. The entrance exam was in February and it was very difficult for me to prepare for 90 percentile in such a short period. But my belief was so strong that I kept my focus on the end result only and left the how part on the universe. Whenever I felt low or had any doubts, I always remembered the Sanskrit shloka. So I'll just read out the English translation of the shloka so that everybody can understand it. I salute that Madhava, the source of supreme bliss, whose grace makes the dumb man eloquent and the cripple cross mountains. So Madhava is a popular and a prominent name for Lord Krishna. So I salute that Madhava, the source of supreme bliss, whose grace can make a dumb person eloquent and a cripple cross mountains. So this shloka really inspired her when she was feeling doubt. Then a series of miracles happened as the universe was conspiring for me to make my dream real. Number 1, the entrance date got postponed by another month, which gave me more time for preparation. Now that was one of her concerns, right? How am I going to prepare in such a short period of time? Got postponed. Number 2, out of nowhere, my senior helped me in studies, and due to his guidance, I did not spend a rupee in classes which were supposed to help with the entrance exam preparation. Alright. Number 3, all expensive books of entrance were sponsored by one of my well-wishers as I was good in studies. So she was receiving this help from all sides, the senior helped, this well-wisher gave her all the expensive books and also the postponement. Alright, wonderful. So looks like she is on the way. But I was a bit nervous on the day of the exam because my preparation was not up to the mark and my sole hope was on the law of attraction. But the paper was very easy and I was satisfied with my test. When the result day came, it was shocking to see that I had cleared that tough entrance with 93.38 percentile. 93.38, so more than 90 percentile. I was completely shocked as I have never ever scored 90% throughout my life, and this was a tough entrance exam. That too with a preparation of 2 months only. It was not less than a miracle. As soon as I forwarded my result to the university, they granted my application and enabled the 100% scholarship. I will attach the email. So she has actually sent a screenshot of that email that would be on your screen right now. So if you can see, she has actually received 100% scholarship. So at the bottom, if you see that table, academic free after 100% scholarship for the first semester is 0. And also they have written, as per scholarship rules, the scholarship will be renewed in subsequent years based on your academic performance in the previous year. So she's a good student. She scored more than 93 percentile. So of course, she will also be able to extend the scholarship. All right, that's absolutely perfect. Then she continues. Also, there was awaiting another surprise for me. They told me that I can join any of the foreign branches of the university in the last semester for my internship, as I wanted a foreign internship. That's just excellent, Till the last detail, the intention is getting manifested. I was amazed. The universe gave me the very exact thing one by one which I had asked for. This proverb is so real. Yatha drishti tatha srishti. Priyanka. So, yatha drishti tatha srishti. Yatha tatha means as one is, so is the other. Drishti means your vision, and srishti means everything around you, the universe. So as your vision, so are your circumstances, so is everything around you. So absolutely a wonderful success story. It is so inspiring, so brilliant. Thank you so much, Priyanka, for sharing your success story. If any of you watching this video have had a wonderful success with the law of attraction, please send it to me. I would love to feature your success story on this channel. You can email it to me or send it on any of my social media, that is Instagram or Facebook. All the details are down below in the description. So all of you watching this video, let me know down below what you think about this success story. I absolutely love reading your comments. Give this video a like. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel Mind Body Spirit and also press the bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. And to get the maximum benefit out of these law of attraction success stories, watch these success stories every day. As you do that, your belief will increase. The way you perceive the world will start changing, and your results with the law of attraction will become more certain, they'll become faster. And to help you do that, right now on your screen will be the link to a playlist containing all videos of this series that I've posted till now. So go ahead right now, watch a few more success stories, watch these success stories every day and notice the difference.